Do you ever feel like you are running on a hamster wheel as a freelance designer? You pour your heart into every project, you meet every deadline, and you manage client expectations with a smile. Yet, despite all the hard work, your income feels stagnant, and your growth has flatlined. You find yourself moving from one project to the next, caught in a cycle of feast or famine, desperately wanting to find a sense of stability and predictability in your business. This feeling is not unique to you. It is a common struggle for talented creatives who want to build a sustainable career doing what they love, but feel lost in the day-to-day grind. This feeling of being stuck is often a sign that your current approach needs a tune-up. It is not about working harder, but about working smarter. This guide is designed to give you a clear and simple playbook for steady, manageable growth. We will move beyond the vague advice you often hear and focus on actionable steps you can implement immediately. You will learn how to identify the right kind of clients, attract the right kind of clients who value your expertise, and how to structure your services and price your work with confidence. Before we go any further, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more design business education like this. We're building a community of designers who want real businesses, not burnout. The first step toward meaningful growth is to stop trying to be the perfect designer for everyone. When you offer everything to everyone, you become a generalist in a sea of other generalists. The solution is to choose a clear niche. This means picking one specific type of client you want to serve, or one particular kind of design you want to master. For example, logos and brand identities for small independent coffee shops, user-friendly websites for wellness coaches and therapists. This focus is your superpower in a crowded market. Choosing a niche immediately sets you apart. Potential clients in your niche will see you as an expert, not just another vendor. They will trust you more because you understand their unique industry. They will trust you because you understand their challenges. They will trust you because you understand their customers. This perceived expertise allows you to command higher prices. You are no longer competing on price. You compete on specialized value. Your marketing becomes exponentially more effective. You know exactly who you're talking to and where to find them. A niche simplifies your entire business operation. Your portfolio becomes a cohesive story. Your proposals are easier. Your creative process becomes more streamlined. So take a moment to think. What industries are you passionate about? What types of design problems do you most enjoy solving? Once you have a niche, the next step is to clarify what you sell. Many designers overwhelm potential clients with a long, confusing menu of a la carte services. This causes decision paralysis. Clients get confused and move on. Instead, create a simple, clear offer list, ideally 3 core options. Think of it as a small, curated menu. This guides the client to a decision and makes the sales process smoother. It positions you as a confident guide. Your 3 offers should match different client needs. First, a low-price, quick turnaround job, a foot-in-the-door offer. Brand audit, social media template pack. Second, a mid-price, flagship service, the full project. Complete website design, full branding package. Third, a retainer or recurring service. Predictable income, monthly website maintenance and support. Ongoing social media, graphic design. Retainers are a game changer. Escape the project-to-project income roller coaster. Guaranteed monthly income lets you plan your finances, reduce stress, and be more selective about new projects. Name offers with benefit-driven language. Avoid internal jargon. Instead of UX/UI wireframing and prototyping, try user-friendly website blueprint. For each offer, list specific deliverables and the outcome the client can expect. This transparency builds trust and helps clients choose quickly. Simplify into tiers to streamline your sales process, increase your conversion rate, and build a more stable financial foundation. It is a simple shift that yields powerful results. Price with purpose, not panic. Pricing is one of the most anxiety-inducing parts of freelancing, but it does not have to be. The most common mistake designers make is pricing their work out of fear. Fear of losing the job, fear of being seen as too expensive, fear of not being good enough. This leads to underpricing, burnout, and resentment. Shift your mindset, price for profit and sustainability. Cover your time, cover business expenses, include a healthy profit margin. Profit lets you grow, buy new tools, survive slow months. Understand your numbers. Calculate business expenses. Calculate personal living expenses. Decide your realistic billable hours. That gives you a baseline hourly break-even rate. Don't stop. Aim to thrive. Add a 20–30% profit margin. This is your target rate. Low prices attract clients who don't respect your time. Higher confident prices attract quality clients. Beyond hourly billing, use value-based pricing for big projects. Price based on client value and ROI, not hours. E-commerce example, increase sales by thousands a month. Price should reflect a fraction of that value. Decouple income from time. Earn more without more hours. Have a confident conversation about goals. Establish firm payment policies. Require a deposit before starting. 50% upfront is standard. This secures commitment and covers initial expenses. Clear contract terms, when the balance is due and consequences for late payments. Boundaries. Professional dynamic, plus reliable pay so you can focus on design. As your freelance business grows, you will quickly realize that your time is your most valuable asset. The biggest drain on your time is not the creative work itself, but all the administrative tasks that surround it. This is where simple systems become your secret weapon for efficiency and professionalism. By creating a few key templates and repeatable processes, you can save countless hours each week, reduce mental clutter, and present a polished, organized front to every client you work with. Start by creating a set of email templates for common situations. Do not just copy and paste. Use these templates as a starting point and personalize them for each client. Develop a standard contract template that you can adapt for most jobs. Use a simple intake form or questionnaire to gather all the necessary project details. This avoids the endless back-and-forth emails and ensures you have everything you need before you start designing. Create a consistent system for the folder structure of every new project. 01 Contracts. 02 Client Assets. 03 Working Files. 04 Final Deliverables. This small habit makes it easy to find anything you need in seconds and prevents the chaos of having files scattered across your desktop. Use a project management tool. Use a simple digital calendar to block out dedicated time for deep creative work, client meetings, and administrative tasks. This helps you protect your focus and manage your schedule proactively, rather than reactively. We have covered a lot of ground. Quick recap. First, pick a clear niche, stand out and attract the right clients. Next, simplified services into 3 offers: small offer, medium offer, retainer offer. Make it easy for clients to buy. Then, pricing. Shift your mindset. Set healthy prices that ensure profitability. Finally, build simple systems, templates, organized folders. Save time and look professional. These intentional actions build a sustainable freelance career. Growth doesn't come from reading, it comes from doing. This week's challenge: take one principle and put it into action. Do it and watch what happens. Every action is a lesson. If this helped, put one of the principles into action today. Then share which one in the comments. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, share it with a designer who's serious about building a real business. And if you're ready to go deeper, visit thedesignlemonade.com to access free tools, checklists, and design business education.